Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers.
Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.
Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Olaba Para 0, Sikukune 1. I'm joined by Junior.
Tiwo Tash. I'm a fans. Nakiloko Sistiwa one. Ahead of the derby.
Yeah.
Kiriri Kitle Scotini.
Yeah.
Kitolunguza.
Yeah.
Abe Kolabant.
Para Saiko.
Abe Kolabant Lava.
Para Saiko.
Congelatela what? It's a cocktail. Yawana Masiwa Mangland. Yawana Mangland. Tactically, I'm happy. Pirates was playing much better football. Pole position by keep. And then you noticed something happy. Build up Yabona. It's I can say convincing. I would say, but now Baleka forward passes.
Yes.
Tito Akenali now the Jalama sighting. Same thing Kanjonjo, which is for next. It's not dangerous football because we need direct. I can say going forward, Renida, Hoba, Ntwen, Hoba dangerous. I'm happy Karile, I'm happy Kankota, President Yamachuke, Kilituke, well represented. Kiboni Nkota Mto Sanyani, Marangega Enzela Papara Chupri, Ngegabui. In terms of Ishomanje, ahead of the two Socho Tabis. Score prediction.
My brother.
3-0 first leg, 3-0 second leg.